friends. I had a few extra minutes this morning before I had to head out the door, so I've started to poly some of my inventory that I did, that I listed yesterday. We have a cute Free People. Love these flapjacks with the buck naked back. Okay, those are cute. These are all listed. Got some G-Star Raw, tropical floral print. All the actual proper names are in the title. I'm not going to remember them right now. So let me show you how I do it. Here we have a Johnny Was. Cute blue, very basic, but really sweet eyelets. And I put it onto my Box Legend folding thingy. Do a little flop. Do a little flip. Adjust the sleeve. Give a little tuck. Pretty velvet ribbon. Here. Here. Now we have a perfectly folded item with the tag right here. People can see what it is. I go up to my polys. Okay. And slip that baby in there. My favorite part, just throwing the trash on the ground. Because then at the end of the day, I can look at the ground and I'm like, wow, I was so productive. The messier it is. And there it is. Buy it, photograph it, list it, safely put it away for storage because we don't want any little dusties to get on it, or we want to keep it nice and clean for the customer. I've got 2 rooms of bins. I think I'm all the way up to RR. So I've gone through the alphabet once and then all the way up to the R's again. And yeah, so these are bagged and ready to be figure out which bin they're going to go in. Basically, if my bin is looking empty, if I see that I have room for one item in JJ. So I will make my tag for JJ. Or F is pretty full. I could do a couple shirts or a couple items in FF here. So okay, here we have some fun. These are crazy vintage. I know they're vintage because I got them from Wasteland in Los Angeles, which is a vintage resale. They've never been washed. It's obvious that they've never been washed. So, super fun. I don't want to have any fuzzies when I put them in the bag because I'll go to sleep going, shit, I should have taken off that one little magic fuzzy. I should have gotten some tape. It will bother me if I package something up and I put on my packing tape and there's a carpet fuzz. No, I'm taking that tape off. I guess that's a good thing, right? It means I'm clean. It means if you buy from me, you're going to get a clean item. I don't source anything that unless it's magical. I'm not sourcing things that look like they have any kind of wear. I'm sourcing things that either are new with tag or obviously have not been washed. Now, if that's the case, I do not say that they're new. I say that they are excellent condition with no sign of wear and no flaws. Because I don't know if they've been put on for a photograph. I don't know if they've been put on and worn for a day and then somebody decided to, put them on the market. So anywho, that's how I do it. That's how I keep my items clean. And when I get back in a couple hours, I will sit down and actually put numbers on these. Yeah. Have a great day. Bye.